All right, peace and blessings, everybody. It's Thursday, May the 16th, the year 2018. This is a Husqvarna YTH2348, and that means it's got a 23 horsepower motor, and you guys see that? It's kind of hard to see, isn't it? 23 horsepower motor. It's got a 48-inch cut, and it's got a surging engine problem, which I'm trying to troubleshoot. I've already replaced the right front tire because the previous one wore out, the bearings wore out, so I went and bought a new one. So I took the headlight connection off, which is right here. You simply disconnect that, and that just lifts out of there. Just pull it up and pull it out, no big deal. And that'll expose the motor so you can work on this thing. I have put in a new battery. So as you can see, it has a brand new battery. That's a Everstart U1R-7 battery. I replaced the fuel filter, and I replaced the spark plug, which is the fuel filter, of course, is right there. The spark plug is right here. That's where the spark plug is. And then I replaced the fuel pump. And I was hoping that one of those would fix the surging problem. And then also, I replaced the air filter, this right here, and the pre-air filter. Okay, so all of this has been replaced, and I bought some 91 octane gas. So this is 91 octane gas right here. I know it's in a diesel can, but it was the can that I had available, so I just wrote normal gas on it. And then I'm going to use some brake clean, and I'm going to brake clean and clean that hole underneath where the carburetor is. I'm not going to pull the carburetor out if I don't have to, but I'm hoping to avoid that.